She loved my dog more than me.
Hey, CW, how you doing? You having fun? I'm going to do a song called She Loves My Dog More Than Me. Once upon a time, everything was so fine, cozy, just my baby and me. I was so well fed, had my breakfast in bed. I was happy as a man could be. Then my buddy called up, had the cutest little pup. I couldn't help but take him in. Ah, little did I know her affection would go to my new little four-legged friend. Now she loved my dog more than me. She loved my dog more than me. I love my dog. She loved my dog. She loved my dog more than me. Ba 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 ba. We were lying by the fire, burning with desire, when suddenly to my chagrin, as the fire got to stoking, came a cold nose a poking, somewhere it should not have been. I thought she'd shoo him away, but she told him to stay. It kinda took me out of the zone. Now a man's best friend gets a girl in the end, and I'm left holding the bone. 'Cause she loved my dog more than me. She loved my dog more than me. I love my dog. She loved my dog. She loved my dog to the story. When you fall from the glory, you gotta do it gracefully. So I'm back in the bed with the dog at the head. We're a nuclear family, and I accept my fate. You know this little debate, because there ain't no democracy. From the moment he came, it's been a doggone shame that she loved my dog more than me. She loved my dog more than me. She loved my dog more than me. I love my dog. She loved my dog. She loved my dog. Let's do acapella, boys. She loved my dog more than me. Yes, she does. She loved my dog more than me. It ain't the way it was. I love my dog. And she loves my dog. But she loves my dog. Let's do it one more time. She loves my dog more than me. She loves my dog more than me. I love my dog. She loves my dog. She loves my dog more than me. To the five. Yes, I love my dog. She loves my dog. She loves my dog more than me. Ba 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 ba.
Sick 'em, pup.
CW like that one. What are you thinking, CW? What are you thinking?
Get him, Shep.
What's on your mind? What's that? Some Hank.